Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Midwest Market Solutions Insider Comments. Today's Thursday, March the 30th. It's day before the crop reports and the day of the quarterly hog and pig numbers. And good morning. This is Brian Hoops here from Midwest Markets. Export sales were out this morning. The numbers were actually pretty good. Corn at the low end of expectations, but wheat above the high end of expectations. Soybeans was a good number, and we had a private sale of soybeans, first one in over a week this morning. 165,000 beans sold to China for the 2017-18 marketing year. The export numbers for beans were 36.7. That's a good number. Wheat at 23.1 and corn at only 33.2 million bushels. So the beans was, as I said, a good number. Wheat was good. The corn is going to be seen as a little bit of a disappointment to the trade, but beans had a little short covering after their export announcement. I suspect we'll have a little bit more at 8:30 when we reopen off of this export sale to China. Now, one thing from a technical standpoint, beans did make new lows overnight. We're going into tomorrow's acreage report anticipating large planted acres, much more than 2017 or 2016. A couple wild cards in this report. Of course, quarterly stocks are going to be very hard to judge and predict. And the acreage numbers, I think, are going to be a little bit easier. But if there's a bearish surprise, it's probably going to come in the soybean acres. We're going to see larger planted acres than what was expected. Bullish surprises, possibly in the corn and in the spring wheat. Now, we bought spring wheat a couple nights ago in the overnight trade for our spec traders, anticipating that we'd see a cut in spring wheat acres, and we'll see how that trade goes. But we do look for that to be a possibility where we plant less spring wheat acres and less corn, more soybeans. And remember, it's not what you plant during the season, it's what you can grow. So growing season will be awfully important and difficult to predict at this time. The winter wheat belt is starting to dry out. The 6 to 10 day forecast looks really like it's going to be ideal for that winter wheat crop. Warmer temperatures and drying conditions after some heavy rain. So I got to imagine the crop condition ratings are going to improve. That's going to keep traders wanting to spread spring wheat against the winter wheat contracts. So that's another trade idea. If you're looking at some sort of a trade, I think that is one that you could go off of. In the livestock trade, I do expect cattle futures to be under a little pressure here. Cash trade is uncertain this week. It could be steady at best, maybe $2 to $3 lower. The cutout values are dropping sharply, and I think that's going to put a little pressure against the futures. Again, not many people want to sell the board with the big discount, but certainly it is a possibility we could see some weakness in the futures this morning. The hogs should just bounce around waiting for the hog and pig report out. We've had a big drop this week. Consolidation is necessary. The estimates look for all hogs and pigs at 103.9. Marketing's at 104, and kept for breeding at 101.8. We'll be back throughout the day, Twitter and our text service, and you can sign up for both of those free services. You can go to our website, Midwest Markets, and sign up there. And our audio comments will be available as well. We hope you have a great day trading. Good luck, everybody, and we'll talk to you again soon.